Hey everyone, friends on the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to optimize your Windows by disabling one unnecessary feature in the settings. So let's go directly to these settings. Go to Start, type Settings, then Windows Update, then Advanced Options, and here you'll find Delivery Optimization. Now, go in and disable this feature. It usually runs in the background and drains some of your performance. The whole point is that when it's enabled, your device sends pieces of previous Windows updates over your local network or the internet, which you don't really need at all. It doesn't affect functionality, but it does drain performance. So just turn it off and you're done. That's it. That's all for now. This was Velour. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.